आज हमारा 4 नाइट 5 डे 7 साल बर्डिंग टूर खत्म हो रहा है एंड हियर आर आवर गेस्ट सतीश सर, विवेक,
Sushant,
and Asim sir. So how are you feeling, guys?
Yeah, it was a wonderful trip and many lifers and excellent guiding by Neer, Sakshi and Santosh. Wonderful trip. We would like to come back here
floating
again.
staff have been very helpful, very cooperative. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
I think I would be the largest gainer out of this trip because I would have got at least 40 to 50 lifers in this trip.
Well, I have been doing birding for
Thanks a
quite
lot,
some time.
Sakshi, and thank you, Neer.
Thanks, sir.
And a special shout out to Santosh for his 1.5 days because the maximum lifers we got in his trips. Thank you so
And
much.
thanks to
Sri
the
Fish.
nature, it has been very kind to us.
Okay.
Sure. And now goes to Satish sir. So like how was your trip, sir?
It was a wonderful trip for me. I got so many lifers here.
It's your first North India trip, I guess.
It's my first North India trip. It's a memorable trip for me.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Thanks,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.